Hey guys, RoonPicker here for another lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one's Bruised Ego from GeorgiaJim, and he made his challenge lock out of a Sargent Assa Abloy. You can see the traditional keyway on here, and it looks like he's pinned it up to 7 pins. We got the mummified key, so let's get this in the vise and see if we can get this open today. Now, typically these Sargents have good tolerances and can put up quite a fight, so hopefully we can get this in today. Use top the keyway with 50 thousandths, standard hook in 18 thousandths, and we'll bring out the SS Dev as well. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this picked. So starting off, let's check the pins. Small click there. Oh, into a false set. Counter rotation, counter rotation, counter rotation. There's a lot of action just straight off the bat. Oh, and did we overset that? I don't know. Got our false set back. Get some good counter rotation. Nothing now. Let's try the SS Dev. That was good. Got the click on pin 7. Click out of that. A lot of clicking, no open yet. Seem to have lost a lot of our false set. I don't know what's holding this up right now. Nope. Oh, there we go. That's a good click. We're getting a lot of like movement, but our false set hasn't come back yet. There we go. Now we got our false set back. Let's see what's holding us up. Hopefully nothing too critical. There we go. We got the open. Let's go ahead and gut this. See, we are picked. Let's go ahead and gut this and see what we got inside. And real quickly, let's go take a look at the key. If I can get the tape off. Let's get the knife out and see if we can get this tape off. There we go. That's some great challenge lock bidding right here. Let's go ahead and show you that to you guys. You can see massive variations, and you can see that pin 7 is pinned up by the tip of the key since there's only 6 on this key traditionally. So let's go ahead and take this back cover off. And let's go ahead and insert the key. Key works flawlessly. Let's get a shim. shim in. The shim does not seem like it wants to go in. There we go. Okay, well, I think that's going to be good. This shim does not want to cooperate today. Let's get our follower out. Mindful of the key pins. Let's drop these out. Oops. And let's take these driver pins out. That's a crazy looking pin right there. Here's some crazy looking pins. So pin 3 looks like it may have broke at some point. I think Jim said the average picker had sheared off 1 or 2 pins when he was picking it. Spring. Almost done, guys. Just gotta get these last bits out of here. Start from the back here. Oop, that one shot out. Good thing we didn't lose it. Alrighty, and that is all the pins. Looks like we got a spring stuck in chamber 6, but I'm not gonna try to force that out. Looks like we got, I don't think there's any modifications to the Bible. It doesn't appear so. And no modifications to the core. So let's get the camera out. I'll show you. So we got all standard pins for the key pins. I forgot to reorientate those, but the curved side should be on the bottom here. Let me go do that real quick. That should be like that. But this one, you can see there's no curve on it, and I think that's because you just threw in a pin to pin it up to 7. But the crazy part here is those driver pins. You can see we got a lot of spools and spearhead pins. So that is the Bruised Ego challenge lock. Hopefully you guys like this content. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.